They're white and blue instead of. Gotta have. This is my SC shirt.
What's up, Gigi?
I have those shirts for my soccer team. Remember? They're blue.
Leah, ring your bell.
I have these Adidas.
Do you have a bell?
That's the name. That's
Leah,
the name
ring your bell.
dog.
Hey, go get your bike.
I put down two of my. I picked down both of my kickstands.
Why do you have 2 kickstands?
We just went through this. Because the first kickstand they got didn't work. The bike kept falling over, so Mike ordered a second kickstand to make. Are they coming or no? No, they're working on the testing this.
Hello.
Are you gonna?
Boy, is this a
Down or up?
Let's go up the street. There's more sidewalk to the right.
No!
Like,
we go towards
towards yeah, towards Dumont or elementary school.
Dumont.
Here I come.
Riding at
Hello. Those are dirty.
How about you?
Those are dirty and gross.
All right, here we go, Leo.
How come they did these green, Max? Yeah, that's why they had that flag over there. They're going to replace the water lines. And this must mark where the water line must be under the street here. They got it all marked out here. Morning. Nice day. Here I come, G. There he is. Hey, Leo.
We are turning out there, but Leo, come jump on this.
Glad I took that shower.
Leo, come jump
Yeah.
on this thing.
So you could have all fresh sweat.
What more?
Gee, what grade are you going to be in this fall?
We might be able to do the water balloon fight today.
See, there's G's new bike. G has a basket, don't you, G? Like just like you like my basket too.
Go, come on.
G has a pink basket. I have a white basket.
Start going. Let's go.
Now we still have to go up that giant hill. We still have to go up that giant
It's okay.
Yeah, let's go up this hill, not the other. Yeah, we're not going that way. We're going up that hill.
Hey, G. Grand reopening. See the flag? It says reopening, G. They're gonna reopen. We almost bought that house. That yellow one there. Well, because we looked at it when we were buying a house, but then we bought the house on Rita.
I think that one looks a lot nicer.
It's a bumpy road.
Everyone has a four-wheeler that he drives up and down the street.
You see that chipmunky? There's Sadie barking at us. Go testing. Oh, that's right. They were going to go get a... Yes. I'll take a picture of you first. Smile. Say cheeseburger. Cheeseburger.
That's a video cam.
Say unicorn.
That's a video cam.
I know, it's recording you.
Yeah, we might, nice. Can I say hi to it? Hi.
There's Max with his Forky shirt.
Can I say hi? I want to watch the GoPro video. Hey, what the poppers got thrown at it.
I mean,